I continue my conversation with this multifaceted couple, Dr. Radha Bhaskar and Mr. Mudra Bhaskar. Mr. Mudra Bhaskar is a disciple of Mannargudi Iswaran and Karaikudi Mani, and Dr. Radha Bhaskar is a disciple of P.S. Narayanaswamy. Now, they multitask so much that I want to ask you, I feel that as I grow older, I can't juggle too many things.
Okay.
Either I lose my sanity or I feel that I'm not doing a thorough enough job. So do you also face such anxieties?
Yeah, definitely so, because when we look at the professionals, sometimes we do wish that we could perform better, but then we also understand our limitations, because when you have so many things to do, it's quite difficult. But then I call Mr. Bhaskar Mr. Perfection, because all the time he's so much bogged up by this perfection. I'm a very cool person, so but nevertheless we complement each other. And
because you're such busy organizers and you run a Sabha and a magazine, has your own performing taken a back seat?
No, this is how you look at it.
Okay.
There should be contentment about you.
So are you in that place now? Are you happy doing
every
what
day
you
when
do?
we go to bed, I think we tell to ourselves, okay, it was a great day and we have made the best of it. So that way I have no grievances about losing on the performance edge, because we are able to do many things which others have not been able to do.
Yeah.
But one thing, it's a long process. If you are doing multitasking, overnight you cannot get the benefit. It takes years. So till then you have to wait.
No, but some people, they worry a lot, like, you know, there's this dilemma, am I doing too much, am I being good at everything? So it's nice to know that you face no such angst.
Actually, it's
That's
basically
good.
because there's a strong support system at home.
Right,
Because
right.
the worry, I can just pass it on to him, his worry he passes on to me. So then we discuss and then amicably everything settles. So there's no grievance on any
You know,
account.
earlier in the show we talked about how the quality of music, especially popular music, is going down, and we talked about how the people who provide for the masses, it's really in their hands to make sure that they don't give the masses mediocre content, because, you know, we are in a position of power. So what's your opinion on that?
Definitely, both of us share the view that if we give good stuff to the audience, definitely they will take it up. So it's a lot of responsibility on the artist to give his best, rather than blaming the audience or the listener and saying that this is what he wants and I'm here to churn out what he wants.
Because sometimes there's this compulsion to give in to mass appeal, you know, the demand.
See, when popularity becomes the yardstick, then all these come in. But when your view or your aim is to give value music, I think then you will definitely go in pursuit of it.
So what are your future plans?
Taking all these projects forward in a greater way. In fact, sometimes somebody, many people ask us, you have only one child. I say, no, I have three. In the sense that Mudra is my first child, the second is my son Jyotishwar, and third is our child is Samudra. Why I'm saying this is because all three require that same amount of effort, attention, love, and everything has to be given. Whether it's a real son or your organization, the passion has to be there to take it forward.
And we want to take Mudra as a full-fledged organization as a whole. See, normally organization means only in December they come, then they go off. We should not be like that. Oh, the whole
Through the
year
year.
we should have members, we should satisfy
And
members.
constantly we should keep doing activities to motivate the Rasika. That's the whole idea.
And I understand that your son is learning the Kanjira
And the violin.
violin.
Yeah. So hopefully one day he'll be there to accompany us also. None of your shows maybe.
Why not? So I'm thinking, why don't we end, instead of the usual thank you, it's been a pleasure talking to you, why don't we end with a song?
Okay.
But anyway, thank you, and it's been a pleasure talking to you.
It's really, this interview is a milestone for us, because we work so hard, and you have come us for the first time to recognize our hard work. It's a real milestone for us. I should say thank you for your efforts.
It's an honor, thank you.
Yadavani Bayadu Kulanandana Yadavani Bayadu Kulanandana Yadavani Bayadu Kulanandana Madhava Madhusudan